Hi guys, today we talk about TCL 50XL NxTPaper. It's launched on June 2024. The dimensions of TCL 50XL NxTPaper: height 6.6 inch, width 2.97 inch, thickness 8.2 mm. The weight is 199 gram, and the build: front glass, plastic back and plastic frame. The display of TCL 50XL NxTPaper: it's come with IPS LCD with 16 mm color. The screen size is 6.78 inches with 86.3% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1080p with 396 ppi density, and the refresh rate is 120Hz with 800 nits peak of brightness. The screen production is not available at this time. Let's talk about the platform. It's come with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is MediaTek 6100 plus 6nm, and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A76, and the GPU is Mali G57. The memory of TCL 50XL NxTPaper is 6 GB of RAM and 128 gigs of ROM, and it supports micro SD card. Let's go to the camera setup. The TCL 50XL NxTPaper, it's come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 5 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel depth sensor, and it's record 1080p 30fps video. The front selfie camera is 32 megapixel and it's record 1080p 30fps video too. The battery backup of TCL 50XL NxTPaper, it's come with 5010 mAh battery with 18 watt fast wire charging, no wireless charging and no reverse wireless charging. The commons and the features: it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint side mounted and UFS 2.2. The price of TCL 50XL NxTPaper is $200.